Guys, here's a 1977 Pontiac Trans Am made by Maisto. This is I guess the Firebird. This one looks like the one that they used in the movie Smokey and the Bandit. This Bandit 2. Very detailed. Features opening trunk, front doors and hood. Under the hood you have the detailed engine. What I've done is I installed working lights in this car. They run off of 1.9 volt battery. That's sitting in the trunk. Really easy to replace. So let me turn the switch for the lights is right here. Let me turn the lights on so you can see. You have the soft white headlights just like they would have had back in the days, and the orange I guess fog lights. On the interior I've also installed some working lights so you can see the interior a little bit better. It's a T-tops, and on the back you have 4 LEDs for the tail lights. Chrome shifter. All right, it'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid. It does come with its box, so packed for safe delivery. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.